Hello patrons, today we're going to talk about taking better care of yourself. I know we've talked about this before. It is a back to basic. It is something that you need to be doing because if you don't take care of yourself, who will? Do you expect your husband to give you your pills every day if you have to take pills? Do you expect your husband to take care of your toenails for you or your fingernails? Do you expect your children to make sure your hair is cut regularly or styled? Do you expect your children to take care of your skin and make sure you take a shower? No, you don't. It depends on you, and it's a part of self-love. So I want you to do this thing for you. I want you to look at your before bed routine and your morning routine and see what part is taking care of you. I also want you to look at your free day and see what you have scheduled to take care of yourself. Now, if you don't schedule it, it's probably not going to happen. We have to put it in our planner. That's our nature. So decide how often you need to wash your hair and have the shampoo that you love and take the time to do that. You can't just use dry shampoo forever and put it up in a messy bun forever. You have to take care of yourself. Decide that you're going to take care of your skin morning and evening. You know what? You're going to get wrinkles as you get older, and if you already have them, that's okay. But you're going to look better and feel better and have less wrinkles if you take care of your skin. If you're in your 20s, I recommend avoiding the sun on your face and arms and legs. Those things are going to wrinkle when you're older, and you're going to look back and say either, yay, I had such a good time being in the sun, or yikes, what is this? Doesn't matter. If you use some good sunscreen and don't overbake yourself, you should be fine. For those of us who've already done that, let's start taking care of ourselves. I'm one of those people. All right, so what about your teeth? Are you brushing your teeth twice a day? Are you flossing once a day? These are important things that no one else can do for you. You have to do those things for you, okay? How about scheduling a doctor's appointment for yourself? Have you had your annual physical? Have you had your mammogram? If you're young and you still have to have a PAP, have you had a PAP? Now, when have you last done these things? These things are critical for your health. And if you're saying, I'm too busy taking care of my kids, and you end up with a lump and you end up with a disease because you didn't go to the doctor soon enough, who's going to take care of your kids now? So let's do the best we can for ourselves. It's the same thing as they always talk about on the airplanes, and everybody always uses this example, including me, but I'm going to use it again because it's so appropriate. When you're on an airplane, if the oxygen masks drop down, you're to put yours on first before you put your child's on. Because if you're not there to take care of them, who will? Okay? So that's it for today. Taking care of yourself is the theme. Reflect on it. Look in your planner. Put it in there. You know I talked about pedicures and manicures, but I think that's a very important piece of taking care of yourself and reminding yourself that you're being taken care of. Because when you wake up in the morning and you stretch your feet out and you see your toes are painted, or at least cleaned up and clear polished, or you stretch your hands out and you see you've given yourself some care of your nails, doesn't mean that you have to put color on them. Doesn't even mean you really have to put clear on them. You can just buff them up. But you've taken care of them. It makes you feel better about yourself, and it reminds you to take care of yourself. All right, that's it for today. Have a wonderful day, patrons, and always remember to be beautiful because you are beautiful.